Hello friends, welcome to Gifted Lady Cooking Adventure channel, and today we are making egg tomatoes fried rice. An egg, sweet ketchup, half stock cube. Divide the stock cube into 2 equal halves and save the other half for later use. Parboiled rice. I parboiled the rice with salt. The parboiled rice is cooked, okay, but not too soft, but it is cooked. The vegetables are already cleaned and the seeds are removed, so we'll be shredding those vegetables. We'll be using them later in the video. An egg, pinch of salt, and another egg with pinch of salt. Just fry the egg and dice them into, you can make the cubes big or smaller cubes. It depends on how you want it. You can also shred the fried eggs. You will see how we'll do them later. Dice some onion, ginger and garlic. All these things we are doing bit by bit is just the preparation for the main meal. So we'll be combining them together when we are actually making the main meal. So this is just the prep of the meal, okay? So don't get confused. Shredded vegetables, red kidney pea and green pea. I use the dry pea, so I pressure cook it for 5 minutes with a cup of water. Half stock cube, salt to taste, add the marinated rice. I just want you to know that I did not fry those vegetables for a long time. I just sauteed them for like 2 to 3 minutes just for it to release its juice, but those vegetables are not dry. They are still quite wet before I added the marinated rice. Stir fry the rice and the vegetables for 5 to 7 minutes before it will be ready to be served. I'll turn off the heat, then add the spring onion. It is now ready to be served. Thank you for your support, your subscription, your likes. I hope you enjoyed today's meal. See you in my next video. Bye bye.